Next section, types of perception. First type, vision or visual perception. Second, perception of hearing. 3, perception of touch. 4, perception of smell. 5, perception of taste. 6, other types, social perception, ESP, extrasensory. Detail going on, visual perception, experiencing the world through human eyes. Second, perception of sound. Hearing perceives sound by detecting vibrations. The range is typically considered to be between 20 Hz and 20,000 Hz. Speech perception is the process by which the sound of language are heard, interpreted and understood. 3, perception of touch. The process of recognizing objects through touch. It involves a combination of sensory perception of patterns on the skin surface, example edges, curvature and texture, etc. Four, perception of taste. Taste is the ability to perceive the flavor of substances. Six, other perception. Other senses enable perception of body, balance, acceleration, gravity, position of body parts, temperature, pain, time, and perception of internal senses such as suffocation, gauge, reflex, intestinal distension, fullness of rectum and urinary bladder, and sensation felt in the throat and lungs. Social perception. Social perception is the part of perception that allows people to understand the individuals and groups of their social world and thus an element of social cognition. Extrasensory perception, ESP. ESP involves reception of information not gained through the recognized physical senses but sensed within the mind. The term was adopted by Duke University psychologist J.B. Irwin. It has been referred to as a sixth sense, instinct or hunch, which are historical English idiom. Parapsychology is a study of paranormal psychic phenomena including ESP. It has been criticized for continuing investigation despite being unable to provide convincing evidence for the existence of any psychic phenomena after more than a century of research. The scientific community rejects ESP due to absence of an evidence base, the lack of a theory which would explain ESP, and the lack of experimental techniques which can provide reliably positive results, and considers ESP to be pseudoscience. Parapsychology. It is a field of study concerned with the investigation of paranormal and psychic phenomena, which include telepathy, precognition, clairvoyance, psychokinesis, near-death experiences, reincarnation, operational experiences, and other paranormal claims. It is identified as pseudoscience by most mainstream scientists. It is the aggregate of parapsychological functions of the mind, including extrasensory perception, precognition, and psychokinesis. Can you define ESP? Perception as in telepathy, clairvoyance, precognition that involves awareness of information about events external to the self, not gained through the senses and not doubtly from previous experience, called ESP. Types of ESP: A. Telepathy, B. Clairvoyance, C. Precognition, D. Psychokinesis, telekinesis. Detail going on. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.